Hey guys, this is Tanaka-san shop again, and today we do our usual unpacking. We've been thinking for a long time what to show you guys next, and we decided to show you the most used item lately. A mask. But this one, it's none of our interest. Today we show you a cool Japanese mask. It's called pita. It means in Japanese that it fits you very well, so I would call it fita in English. Well, in this pack we have 3 masks. They're different color, navy, khaki and gray, and this pack costs around $4. So it's pretty cheap. Well, because we have to wear masks in Japan like every day, so our ears, they hurt, you know? But this mask, it says here that it's so soft, your ears wouldn't hurt. And it's made from a new polyurethane, and it protects you from 99% of pollen. And also from disease, I guess. So let's unpack it. See, each one of them comes in a separate packaging. So, okay, let's open this one. Khaki one. Okay, it's very soft. Really. It's cool. Haha, nice. Wanna feel it?
Oh, it's
Touch
so
it.
soft.
Yeah, right. Very good. Yeah. I wonder if it smells. Because, you know, sometimes they smell badly. No. It doesn't smell at all. Oh, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Let's see how it fits, really. It's really a pita or not.
So boring here. I'm leaving you guys.
Where are you going?
Smoking.
You forgot your mask.
I'm thick enough.
Fight!
Wait! You want to compete with me? I gotcha. Wait a minute, let me get my best shape.
Mama told me not to waste my
Round 2. Fight!